Hello, class. This is Mr. Eggleston. I'm trying to see if this is going to work. It didn't work last time. This is a review for Algebra 1, specifically the quiz 1.4 through 1.7. These are some of the more esoteric, more the thinking questions. Describe how you see the pattern growing above. These are shapes and stars. So looking at this, in figure 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have, we have 6. Then we have, if you count this up, 11. And then we have 16, as you can see by the multicolor. And then we have 21. So it looks like, how is the pattern growing? We start with 6 dots, and then we add 5 each time. How many dots will there be in figure 5? If we're adding 5, it'll just be 26. 26 dots, because we add 5 to figure 4. Okay? And then sketch what figure 0 would look like. So if we keep adding 5, right? Going to the right, we could subtract 5 going to the left, and that would be just 1 dot. Okay? 1 center dot. We then add 5. How many dots will it have? Okay, 1 center dot. Okay. The one that's yellow, I guess you could say. All right. So describe what figure 8 would look like. How many dots will it have? Well, if we keep adding 5, so we have 26 in figure 5, we have to do it 3 more times to get to figure 8. So we could go 26 plus 3 times 5, because maybe I should write it the opposite. Maybe it's better each time it's 5, and then since we're doing 3 more, so this is like n, so that's figure n, so that would be 26 plus 15, which is, so that's 26 plus 15, 36, 41 dots. Now, Patricio says there's a figure in this sequence that will have 122 dots. Maeve says this is impossible and that the figure would have 121 dots. Who is correct? Well, if we started with 1 in our first figure, and each time we add 5, so our result will always be 1 more than a multiple of 5. So 121 dots is 1 more than 5. And Maeve is correct. How many dots will be in figure N? This is when you have to think about trying to write it in a more generalized form. So it would be number of dots equals the one from figure 0. This is fig 0 plus 5 times n, where n is the figure number. It's basically this right here, only we started with the first term, and then it's going to be n, right? This is the first term, for us, and then this would just be n. Here it was the it was the third term, which was, it was the term that is, I forget what number 26 was. 26 was the fifth term, and then we had to go 3 more to get to 8. Okay? So there you go. Don't worry about this. So there you go. There's your review. If you understood that, that's awesome. You'll do well. I have another review coming, and that's more going through some steps, so that'll help you also.